Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make taco rice. Start by cooking rice while you brown seasoned ground beef with taco spices and garlic. Prepare crisp lettuce, diced tomato, and shredded cheese for toppings. Mix warm rice with a touch of lime juice and salt, then pile beef and toppings on top. Finish with salsa or sour cream to taste and serve immediately for a comforting, easy dinner. Gather ingredients and do quick prep to speed the whole process. Cook rice to package directions and keep it warm, then brown 1 pound ground beef and stir in taco seasoning. While the meat simmers, chop lettuce, dice tomatoes, and shred cheese so everything is ready to assemble. Setting out salsa, sour cream, and lime wedges makes final plating smooth and keeps each serving customizable to taste for family or guests. Brown ground beef over medium heat and break it up with a spoon until no pink remains. Add taco seasoning and about 1/4 cup water, stirring until it coats the meat and thickens into a saucy mixture. Keep rice warm, then assemble bowls by spooning rice first, topping with the seasoned beef, and finishing with lettuce, tomato, cheese, and a squeeze of lime. Serve with chips or salsa on the side for extra crunch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.